Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to apologize that the lighting is terrible in this video. I know, but this is the best that I can do. And two, you'll probably be able to hear cars going by, and I'm sorry about that. We don't have air conditioning, so my window is open. Also, sorry it's been a long time since I posted a video. I did get my Splendies in, as you can tell by the title of this video, and I got them in several days ago, but we've had some personal stuff going on and I went to the hospital, so it's just been a busy last week and a half for us especially, so I'm sorry, but we are going to get into this now. And I didn't open it this time, I didn't look, so hopefully I can get this open fairly quickly. So, that's about how strong I am right now. I can't open this package good enough. Alright, so this month the tissue paper is this really cute purpley color, and of course you always get your little sticker on there, which I know you guys can't really tell, but there we go, Splendies. For those of you who don't know, Splendies is an underwear subscription, monthly. It is $13.99 a month. You get 3 pairs of underwear, and the shipping is included or free technically in that $13.99, which is amazing because if you go to like Victoria's Secret or other places at like the mall, even Walmart and Target are getting pretty expensive for underwear, and the quality and cuteness on these is unbeatable. So I highly suggest it. If you're a girl, you always need more underwear, you know, I mean, it's worth it. And I love not having to go to the store and actually shop for underwear, honestly. I love it. They do offer a mix of underwear, so you can either get an all thongs package like me, or you can do like a mixed package where you get like bikini cuts or boy shorts or thongs or cheekies or whatever other kinds of underwear there are. Like I said, it's 3 a month, so it kind of gets mixed. Their styles are really cute, and they're always so comfortable. They are seriously like my favorite underwear. They're the first thing I reach for in my drawer every single time, no matter what the outfit is. I just love them. Without further ado, let's open and see what kind of styles I have this month. And I don't know why, I always try to be so careful and like not rip the paper, because all I do is throw it away after this, but I do. I try not to rip the paper like I just did, but alright, so when you kind of unfold it, the underwear comes really cute wrapped up like this, so you can kind of see what's going on in there. And obviously the top one looks awesome, so I'm just going to kind of unfold them and go from there. When you unfold them, for me, the way that I unfold it, that top one I showed you is actually at the bottom, so we'll see that last. The first one I'm pulling out here is this super cute, kind of like pale pinky rosy design with little flowers and leaves on it. It is so cute. It is lacy. That was the front. This is the little back part, and like I said, I do get the all thong version just because that is my preference. Once in a while I do switch it up and get a mix just because it's nice to have that mixed underwear for other times, things like that. And for reference, I do go with the small. They offer a small, medium, large, and then I think that they also go up to like volupties for anybody who is above that, the plus size, and they're all super cute and stunning and comfortable. So this one is super cute. It is by Splendies itself, and the MSRP is $12, which I would totally see paying that in stores. 10 to 12 bucks is pretty common for underwear or thongs in stores, and I'm telling you, the quality is worth it. Obviously, you're only paying $13.99, so you're paying a fraction of that cost for these underwear. The next one is this really cute little guy. It's like a stretchy one, but not, it's not one of like the yoga ones. So like the, what do they say? I want to say lineless, but that's not the one. The one that doesn't create any creases or whatever. This one obviously says cotton spandex in a small, and it is also by Splendies. We do get other brands. It just depends. Again, MSRP $12, and I totally see paying that in stores. You can't see that, but for this, it's just a cute little stretchy pink edges with greenery and pink, and then the back, again, super adorable. The last one is another little stretchy guy, and this is my favorite, I think, because it's really giving me like fall Halloween vibes, which is kind of what season we're going into, and I love it. Like, the sun is my favorite thing. I love summertime. When you live in a state that has like a full summer. I'm from Florida, so it usually does. I'm living in Minnesota, so it's a small summer. But fall and Halloween are my favorite. Last one is also by Splendies in a small, $12. Like I said, they do mix it up on the brands. I've gotten plenty of others. You can check out my other videos to look for other kind of designs and types that they give. And I think that next month I am going to try to switch it up and go to the, sorry, for those of you who don't know, I'm pregnant, and pregnancy brain is like a real thing. I just forget words that I'm trying to use. Like, I have it in my head and it's just not there. The like mix package, and get some random types to show you guys again, because it's been several months with thongs, and like I said, you can never have enough of the other ones as well, just for other times. Sometimes a thong isn't the right underwear, you know, but I get Halloween, fall vibes. This is like, honestly, kind of gives me like springy summer vibes. And this is more of that like sheer, like you want to know you have on sexy underwear type of thing. They're all super cute. I always just pull the tags off, throw them in the wash, and I'm telling you, I reach for Splendies all the time. They're the underwear that I basically wear. Like, none of the underwear in my drawer gets worn anymore other than Splendies, and so obviously they get washed a lot, and they're still awesome. They still keep their amazing soft texture. They're stretchy. The little lace on the insides doesn't like fall apart or start peeling off or anything. I love them. I think that they are wonderful, and for the price, you cannot beat it. You will not be sorry if you sign up for Splendies. No, this video isn't sponsored. I just personally get them, and I always share it with you. Though, full disclosure, this month I did get free underwear from Splendies just this month because of referring people and posting my videos, but that was something I did not know ahead of time. I do spend my own money on these underwear to get them, so, and that's the other thing, they do a referral. You refer people to them, you can get free underwear, you can get like a bonus one, so like an extra one, a fourth one, which I've gotten before in previous packages. I've gotten like a fourth underwear from referring people, things like that. You earn yourself free months like I did this month, so it's worth it. It really takes the pain out of shopping, you know. I mean, that's my opinion, but I think it's a pretty good one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I rambled on so much, but I love you guys so much, and if you want to see more videos from me about Splendies, about other unboxings I do, like Ipsy, or following my pregnancy and my husband being in the Coast Guard and previous Navy, things like that, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you here, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys get Splendies. If you do you get all thongs? Do you get the regular? Did you know that they did all thongs? You know, things like that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.